Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tila Simbi, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to make these crochet braids. Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. So I'm going to be using these umbrella braids, 22 inches, and I'm going to be using this cord to create the loop for the crochet braiding. So I'm going to place my braid like that and start twisting. Both sides you should twist it so that you can create that loop. Twist both sides like this and then take out some braids from this side, and you're also going to do the same on the other side. Just take a few and take also from that side. Hold the beginning of your braid so that the twist that you did to form the loop doesn't unravel, and so take the other side, put a section out some braids and start braiding. Make sure you hold tight at the beginning so that your loop doesn't unravel like that. So you can continue braiding. This is really easy, guys. It's really easy. You know, you can just make your own crochet braids at home. Some crochet braids are really expensive, but you can do this at home and slay sis. Continue braiding like that, and I'm going to show you again how I do it. Place your braid on your cable extension, twist both sides like so. Twist it, make sure it's tight so that you create a strong loop. Twist like that, then turn and section out some braids from both sides. Make sure you hold the beginning of your crochet braid so that it doesn't unravel. Section out some braids from this side and start braiding like that. You see, it's easy. It's really easy, guys. It's really easy to do like that. It's really easy. Continue braiding like that. It's really easy. Yeah. I'm going to show you again. Twist both sides, turn like that, section out some hair like that, and do it on the other side. Section out some hair. Yeah, so braid, make sure it's tight, hold it tight so that your loop doesn't unravel. So continue braiding, braid. You see, guys, it's really easy peasy. It's really easy. So these are the braids. I've just done the beginning, so I'm going to finish the ends like this. I'm just going to finish the ends. You can just borrow some braids from the other side so that your braid can be really uniform. So continue braiding. So guys, please kindly subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, make sure you like, share to your friends, share to everybody, subscribe. Don't forget, please. So let's continue with our tutorial. Continue braiding until you finish the ends of your crochet braids like so. Yeah, and I'm going to put the ends in hot water, very hot water. Be careful, don't burn your hands. Yeah, dip the ends of your braids in hot water like that, and you can remove and separate them like that. Make sure they dry overnight when you remove them. So right there, I'm just going to remove them like that. You see, the reason why I was saying you should twist really tight, it's because you don't want your loop to unravel when you remove it from the cable. You want it to stay the same way. So you see, that way unravel. And this is the final product. You can package them like this and sell them and make some money. You know, we all need some coins, so you can package them and make some money. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, share, like. see you in my next video. I love you guys. Goodbye. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe so that when I post the installation video you can see it. So I'm going to post the installation video. Goodbye.